Alright, so let's try out these amazing shades of lipsticks and lip glosses. So I'm starting with my favorite lip lipstick. All set. See, I told you, I like it. This smoky pink lipstick is the best. Ta-da! What? I'm done! Can you see how beautiful this looks? I think I like it.